Hey folks, how you doing? I'm Andy. This is Nail Guitar, the channel where I teach you to play songs acoustically so that you can play them all by yourself without a band. As always, I have for you a free PDF for you to grab. Grab it via the link. It is in the description and in the first comment down below. PDF completely free for you to follow on through the lesson and great for handy reference afterwards. Grab that, I'll make reference to it as we go. So Nail Guitar is all about doing acoustic lessons, so I'm going to give you two ways of doing this. You saw in the demo at the start there, more the original way, which uses your bar chords. First we'll start though with the easier way. We'll start at the ground floor where I know everyone should be able to hop on to the elevator. There we go, we've got elevator references going on. So we're going to do open chord version. So the chords are E, G, and you'll notice I've got a capo on the 5th fret. Check out my MacGyver capo lesson if you don't have a capo already. Link is in the description. And we've got D and A. Did I say D back there? E, G, D, A. It's a D and A song. If you can play those 4 chords, you can probably play Fly Away. Rhythmically, we've got what we call a 16th note strumming pattern, breaking the beat up into 4 pieces. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and a. If you can do that with me, you can probably do the rhythm, or you can get there very soon. So, what have we got? It's those 4 chords plus one little joiner note in there, the 2nd fret on the E string. So we're getting on the E, down, up, down, up, down. Then 1st finger gives us that little stepping stone. 2nd fret, same idea on the G, down, up, down, up, down. Then essentially the same idea on the D and A chords. D, 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 A. E, stepping stone G, D, A. Build the tempo up. Go slower if you need to initially. Build it up. If you get some extra strums or take away strums, by all means do that because it's the same chord progression for the entire song. So that is our easiest version. Take the capo off, go for the bar chord version or power chord, you can think of it either way. We're going to get A on the 5th fret there, 5, 7, 7, power chord shape. Do that same step up, except this will be on the 7th fret because we haven't got the capo there. 7, 8. Then we move down to 3. And then we go to 5 on the A string. Power chord shape all the way through. You can do it with just the simple power chord, 1 and 3, or you can add the 4th finger that I'm doing there, the super power chord. You can go one step further and turn this into full bar chords, add the 2nd finger, so these become major chords. So that's going to happen for all of these first 3, the A, the C, and the G. And that D, you can flatten out to be full major chord, 5, 7, 7, 7. And if you want to be a bass player as well, all right, I'll show you the bass riff. It happens in the bridge, the breakdown of the song. So we slide from 3 to 5 on the E string, and we get an octave. An octave is the next occurrence of the same note, going up or down. In this case, we're going up. A to the next A. 3, 5, slide. And then we're going to get the 7 on the D string. 3, 5, 7. Then 7 on the E string. And then we're going to slide 7 to 8. 3 to 5. 7 to 8. 2 to 3. And then down a string, 3 to 5. 3, 5. 7, 8. 2 to 3. 3 to 5. There it is for you. 2, possibly even 3 ways of playing Fly Away. Lots of levels there for you so you can jump in wherever you like. If you enjoyed the lesson, be sure to do the Good Karma thing, hit the like button and subscribe for more lessons to give yourself good karma so that you can catch those new lessons as I upload them here on the channel. Would you like to take your playing further? How can I help you with that? By learning more easy songs. The best way to do that is with a list of all the easy songs that I teach here on the channel. I got there one day and went, okay, let's list them all out, make them all available there for you. And then I went, how about I put all the chords that are on each of these so you can see at a glance what chords are in each song. It's called the Easy Songs Cheat Sheet and it's completely free. I'll tell you all about it right now. Save countless hours searching for easy songs to learn and download my Easy Songs Cheat Sheet. Click the link in the description now to get it absolutely free.